Welcome back to Knowledge Grid. If you've been curious about the stock market but feel overwhelmed by all the jargon and complicated charts, this is the video for you. Today, we're diving into Stock Market for Beginners 2025. You'll learn what the stock market actually is, why 2025 is a great time to start investing, step-by-step guidance on how to invest, proven strategies for beginners, and the mistakes you must avoid if you want long-term success. Stay until the end, because I'll also share a simple investing plan that anyone can start today with as little as $10. What is the stock market? Let's strip it down. What is the stock market? Think of it as a giant shopping mall, but instead of buying clothes or electronics, you're buying tiny pieces of companies. These pieces are called shares. Example: if you buy one share of Apple, you literally own a fraction of Apple. If Apple makes more money, the value of your share usually goes up. If Apple struggles, your share price can drop. The stock market is where these shares are bought and sold daily, and the price constantly changes based on demand and supply. Key takeaway: the stock market isn't magic, it's just a marketplace. For ownership in businesses, why invest in 2025? Now, why is 2025 such an important year for beginners to start investing? Technology is booming. AI, robotics, and renewable energy companies are expanding rapidly. Global markets are stabilizing. Inflation is cooling down compared to 2022 to 2023, and interest rates are leveling out. More access than ever. Apps like Robinhood, eToro, and interactive brokers let you invest with just a few dollars even. Buying fractional shares. Financial awareness is growing. People are realizing that saving money alone isn't enough. You need your money to work for you. Remember, the earlier you start, the longer your money has to grow. A beginner in 2025 has a huge advantage if they stay consistent. How the stock market works. Here's how it all works in practice. Companies need money. To grow, they sell ownership through stocks. Investors buy shares. In exchange, they hope the company grows in value. Stock prices rise and fall. News, earnings reports, and investor confidence drive the movement. Example: if Tesla reports record sales, more people want Tesla stock, gives price goes up. If there's negative news, people sell, gives price drops. It's not random, it's demand and supply, influenced by real-world events. Types of investments. As a beginner, it's important to know your options. Individual stocks, high reward, but high risk. You own shares of one company. ETFs, exchange-traded funds, a basket of stocks. Example: the S&P 500 ETF gives you exposure to 500 companies at once. Safer for beginners. Mutual funds, professionally managed funds, but sometimes with higher fees. Bonds, loans to governments or companies. Safer but lower returns. Pro tip: if you're unsure, ETFs are the best starting point for beginners in 2025. Beginner strategies. Now, let's talk about how you should invest as a beginner in 2025. Start small. Even $20, $50 monthly builds wealth over time. Dollar cost averaging, DCA. Invest a fixed amount every month, no matter the price. This avoids trying to time the market. Think long-term. Short-term trading is risky, but holding quality companies for 5 to 10 plus years usually grows wealth. Diversify. Don't put all your money into one stock. Spread it across sectors. Reinvest dividends. Some companies pay dividends. Reinvesting them accelerates your growth. Remember what Warren Buffett said: the stock market is a device for transferring money from the impatient to the patient. Common mistakes. Here are the biggest mistakes beginners make. Avoid them at all costs. Panic selling. Markets dip all the time. Don't sell in fear. Chasing hype, meme stocks, TikTok gurus, or random AI stock picks are dangerous. Investing. Money you can't afford to lose. Only invest extra cash, not rent money. Trying to get rich overnight. Wealth builds slowly, consistently. If you dodge these mistakes, you're already ahead of most beginners. Simple investing plan for 2025. Let me leave you with a simple investing plan anyone can follow in 2025. Open a brokerage account. Choose a safe, low-fee one. Start a monthly investment budget, even if it's just $50. Start with an ETF, like the S&P 500 or NASDAQ 100. Add individual stocks only after learning. Stay consistent and patient. Don't let short-term noise distract you. Follow this and your future self will thank you. And that's your complete beginner's guide to the stock market in 2025. If you found this valuable, don't forget to subscribe, and share this video to help more beginners start their journey. Tell me in the comments, which stock or ETF are you most excited about in 2025? Thanks for watching Knowledge Grid. See you in the next one.